Today's fun project, we're going to install a rollover valve, the upgraded version, on our Kawasaki Ridge Crew here. So here we go. So in this video, we're going to replace the rollover valve with the ones that we sell at the shop. First, we need to remove this piece here. Okay, so we've got this out. This just pulls right out here. If you look down in there, there's the old one. We're gonna pull that out. We're gonna reroute the fuel line to the back of the unit also, since I don't want it running into the frame. And then we'll go from there. Okay, so this is complete. I've zip tied the new valve to the frame. I took the new fuel line that I had, connected it. This is actually 6 feet total. I had some conduit here just so I wouldn't get a bend in the vent hose, just to be safe. I ran it through the bottom here, as you can see, along the frame line. Comes out over here, connected to the wires there. And I ran it into the bed right there. This is approximately 6 feet of fuel line that I got for it. So now it's venting all the way in the back, away from people. No more fuel smell, and a much, much better quality valve. Well, that was easy. It only took about 15 minutes. Now we have the upgraded rollover valve. We won't have any pressure in our tank anymore, and it's going to be venting where it should, out the back. Any questions, 815-321-3888. My name is Thor. I'm the owner of the ATV Superstore. You can also drop us an email at theatvsuperstore@gmail.com. Thanks for watching our video and have a wonderful day.